Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters. We've already grown 97 eggplants from these planters. We're aiming for about 150 eggplants in about 20 feet. 150 eggplants, who does that? So I've already picked a number of different crops, or harvested a number of different times. I'm going to harvest some more. Again, these are torpedopots that allows you to harvest an extreme amount of food in just a little bit of space. You can grow, like I'm growing here, 97 eggplants, and we're growing more now going into the season. Now, the reason why I'm coming and harvest now is because, first of all, I've been negligent in harvesting my food. There's so much of it. I don't even know how to store. How do you store 150 eggplants? Where do you put them at? I don't know. Maybe you feed the homeless. So torpedopot can be used in inner cities and in areas, rural areas where people are lacking basic nutrition. Of course, there's food everywhere, but nutrition is the focus. Torpedopot creates an environment for your food to grow so that you can have the proper nutrition. That's as simple as that. So I've already picked 97 eggplants from off these planters. I'm banking there's 150 on here, and I'm not even trying. Like every other week, I may supplement with a 3-12-12 formula. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium formula, which then I feed them, feed the environment. Not feed the plant, feed the environment, because the environment feeds the plant. So anyhow, torpedopot creates an environment where that your plants can grow. So I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna stop talking. I've gotta pick this stuff off of here. Let me tell you something, I don't really like this, but look at that. Isn't that amazing? Well, that's beautiful. I should have picked it first because I saw one I really want to get first. That's beautiful. Wow, and it's look how fleshy, look how good it's looking. True to color, true to form. Oh, that's beautiful, dude. That is absolutely stunning. All right, so we're gonna get another one. I saw a big one down here. Oh my gosh, I see a couple of them. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Look, man, look at all that food. That's amazing. Torpedopot grows your food with no human intervention. And guess what? It's natural. It's organic. But more importantly, guess what? It's alive. Torpedopot grows food that's alive. The food that your body needs for its processes. Torpedopot is a wonder. And I see another one. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take a long time. I'm gonna speed this up. Sheesh. You know, the funny thing, it's gonna be tough because you gotta go through and pick everything off. And I'm picking everything off because I want a new crop coming in. And I might not get to it. And also I'm afraid the fact that it turned cold. Guys, this is absolutely stunning. This is beautiful. Look at this. Whew, man, if it starts to get cold, we're gonna have problems. I don't know how the eggplant will react to the cold, but I've seen it and it's very negative. The first that frost hits them, man, they really can, they can spoil very quickly. And so I want to take them off because I don't know. I mean, you tell me what to do with these eggplants. I normally cut them up, slice them, take the outsides off, cut them off, put them in a bag, or I can leave the outsides on them, so when I pull them out the freezer, I can put it directly in the oven and create sauce for something. So, but I love it because it replaces my spaghetti sauce. When I have spaghetti sauce, I don't need much of it because I can cook my eggplant down, and it creates a nice sauce for a broth for anything. You can go with beans, whatever you choose to do. This is the way to go. So, okay, I got to pick everything, so I'm not trying to be choosy here. I just want to take everything off. And the reason why I'm tipping over here is because this is a tomato plant here, and it's got red tomatoes on it, and I'm trying to avoid it. This is tomatoes that have been growing in this location for about 3 years, 2 years now, 2 years. Every year it comes back. And they produce tremendous tomatoes. And they're perfect. Nothing's wrong with the tomatoes at all. They're perfect. And it does it faithfully all the time. Torpedopot grows your food. I love it. I love it. And it's the green and red. I can't. Wow. I'm gonna come back and pull the dead leaves off also. Might be good to just carry a bag down there. Gosh, it's like 10 of them in here. Okay, some more. Whew, man. How much you how perfect they are? Oops, a leaf, sorry. Whew, man, it's a lot. We're not going to let these grow big. We try to pick everything off because we don't want to damage our crops. So I can let them grow big, and that'd probably be one of the last crops I get. But because the weather is waning and you're not getting enough sunlight, and it's getting cold, so the heat doesn't warm the plants like they would normally get during the heat of the intense heat of the summer. It slows a lot of processes down, and even the biological processes in the soil, it slows that down. Most plants, if they had an opportunity to grow in that soil, they would grow in it, but temperature would not allow that. All right, just some more. guys are so hidden. Whew. A lot of eggplants. Man. Still watching? Whew, saw two more over there I want to get. Whew. Man, it's a lot of eggplant. I saw two more over there. I was wrong. Three more over there. All right, what do you count? This is crazy. I feel like a farmer. I don't know where to start. Better hurry up before the camera runs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boy, it's gonna be tough. Well, yeah, you know what? Let's put them in bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47 eggplants. 47 eggplants. So I would say the total we've grown so far is 140 eggplants. We grew 140 eggplants so far. I told you that I could hit 150 eggplants. I told you I could hit that. So if I let them sit on, they'll get bigger, but I choose not to. I'm pushing this. I want to push the process. So it's not everybody's looking for the finished process for the eggplant. Some people want the smaller ones so they can use them in baby foods, baby formulas, and so many other different applications. This eggplant not only provides a lot of nutrition, but it has a lot of building applications. But this is great. This is really wonderful. This is really wonderful. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. We make self-growing planters that are grown perfectly, with no synthetic fertilizers, and they come out perfect all the time. Torpedopot grows your food like you've never seen before. We've already got 140 eggplants to prove it. We've had multiple crops. This is one of the last crops that we are sharing with you now until the next one comes. But this is the latest. And 47 in this batch, 47 eggplants that are growing in these Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters that grows your food for you with no human intervention. All you do is put your plants in, put your seeds in, and you walk away. Now, I want you to understand the multiplication effect here. We bought 40 plants for about $12. We bought 80 of them for $24, $25, $26. We put them in a torpedo pot. We set them up, had them running. We supplement it about once every 10 days. Oh, no, once every 8 days. Once every 8 days after a period of time. You know, to establish yourself. Got the plants from our nursery. It established itself, and now it grew 140 eggplants. 140 eggplants. Can you believe that? That's amazing. That truly is amazing. Torpedopot will grow your food for you with no human intervention. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com.